Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial and I'm going to be creating this look that I'm wearing. It's a festive look, and something that I love about this makeup look is that it's my go-to traditional festive makeup look. It's like my most comfortable makeup look, and it absolutely looks really festive, very subtle, and also it's like my favorite makeup look. And I really wanted to create and show you guys how I create this makeup look, and it's very easy to do and also very easy to carry. Hope you will also like it. So the main highlight point of this makeup look are the two things: the lipstick, the bold lip color, and lots of highlighter. And that's why I've created very soft eye makeup and focused more on the lips, because that's what I like to do. It's like whenever I'm going any function or party, I mostly prefer wearing this makeup because it's easy. Second, it's very bold, very out there. It doesn't sort of fade you away, and it's absolutely feel like that you are there and you're gonna have good time. Plus I also like the fact that this makeup complements every outfit. Like, it's so traditional. I hope you will also like this makeup look. So if you guys are interested in knowing the details about this makeup look, then please continue watching. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and also please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started with our makeup tutorial. So the first product that I'm gonna start with is a primer, and I'm gonna be using this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. So I'm just applying this primer around my nose area and here because I have a little bit pores. So after priming up my face, I'm gonna go with the foundation, and the foundation that I'm gonna use is this Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I'm in the shade called Warm Nude. To blend the foundation, I'm going to use this beauty blender. After the foundation, I'm going with the concealer, and I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and I'm in the shade 312 Amber. I'm just blending the concealer with this brush. After L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, I'm going to go with this Makeup Revolution Concealer to sort of highlight my face. So this concealer is in the shade C5, and it's a light shade and it's good for highlighting your face. Again blending it with the same brush. My base is ready, and now I'm going to be setting it with a loose powder, and I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'm in the shade Light. I'm just taking some on the cap. I'm just going to set my under eye area. I don't really like baking a lot. So after setting my face, I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face, and today I'm going to be using Bahama Mama bronzer from the Balm Cosmetics. With the same bronzer, I'm going to contour my nose, and I'm going to be using this fluffy brush. So after using the bronzer, I'm going ahead with the blush, and today I'm going to be using MAC blush in the shade Dolly Mix, and it's a really nice pretty pinkish tone. I absolutely love this shade. So I'm gonna skip the highlighter for now. I'm gonna use it in the end. For now, I'm just gonna go with the brow pencil. This is a goof proof brow pencil from Benefit, and I'm gonna fill my brows. So I'm gonna use the spoolie side first. eyebrows are set, and now I'm gonna do my eye makeup, and for that I'm gonna be using this Morphe eyeshadow palette, and it's in the shade 35OM. It's like a warm neutral matte palette. So I really like these shades, and all of them are purely matte. They don't have any shimmers and anything extra. After setting my eyes with this shade, I'm gonna go ahead with this third shade, which is a really beautiful transition shade. And I'm gonna be repeating the same step for the left eye. So after using this third shade, which is my transition shade, I'm going to go ahead and use these two darker shades to sort of create a beautiful brown wing sort of a liner, or just a normal liner. So I'm going to use this angular brush and dip it into these two shades. So that's how I create this wing liner in the brown color. This is my absolute favorite. So I'm going to be repeating the same step for the left eye. So I've created these wing liners, and that's how they look. I really like these. So I'm going to be using these both brown shades, and I'm going to apply them in the lower lash line. That's how I've created this beautiful brown wing liner, and this is my favorite go-to makeup look. But as we are in the festive mood, I'm gonna add a little oomph by adding some shimmer to this look, and for that I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow palette. It's from MAC in the shade Burgundy ×9. It's one of my most favorite palette. So I'm going to be using this shimmer, gold shimmer sort of a color, and I'm going to be just using it and adding that oomph for the festive season. I'm going to just take a little bit. So right above the wing liner, I'm going to apply this golden shade all over the eyes. That's how it's gonna look, and I'm gonna quickly clean it up by just blending with the brown wing liner. So that's how I have turned a very simple brown wing liner into a very festive kind of a look with just a little bit of golden shimmer, and that's how I like to keep it. It's very subtle, very nice, and it's also very doable, easy to carry, and not very bright or something like that. If you want to go very soft and subtle on the festive season, and this is what you can carry without any problem. It's so easy to create and so easy to carry, and I think that's why it's my go-to look. I absolutely love it. So to complete this eye makeup look, I'm going to be using this mascara from L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I'm going to just apply and coat it on my eyelashes. Okay guys, so that's how my lashes looks like. I think my eye makeup is complete. So I'm not going with the false lashes because I'm gonna keep it very simple, and like I said, it's very doable. So this is how it's gonna look. So now I'm gonna be completing the rest of the makeup, and for that I'm gonna be using the highlighter first. And the highlighter that I'm gonna use today is this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold. Absolute favorite, really like it. So I'm just gonna use this brush. I'm also going to highlight my inner corner of the eyes with the same highlighter, and I'm going to take this pencil brush. So now I'm going to complete the makeup with the lipstick, and I'm going to be using this Milani lipstick. It's in the shade Devotion. It's a very bright deep red shade, and I really like it. The makeup is done, and to set it off, I'm going to be using this MAC Prep Plus Prime Fixing Spray, and I'm going to shake it well. It's in the shade Pink Light, and I'm going to spritz it all over my face. So the makeup is set and it's ready, and now I'm going to come with the full and final look. Okay guys, so that's how my final makeup look has turned out, and I'm wearing a very simple outfit right now. It's just a beige golden sort of a plain kurta with a brocade dupatta, which is of red and maroon and golden shade. It's like a really nice heavy dupatta, and I've just paired these earrings, and that's all about it. And this is my hairdo, which I absolutely love during the festive season. And yeah, that's how it looks like. I hope you guys like it. So that's it guys, this was my makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys like the tutorial as well as the makeup look, and I would love to see your thoughts about this look. So definitely let me know in the comments, and if you try to create it, definitely share your makeup looks with me. You can also tag me on Instagram, and if you guys love this makeup tutorial, then stay tuned for more, because I'm definitely coming up with more makeup looks and more makeup ideas and the tutorials. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the another video. Till then, take care, bye.